Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix the too many requests please try again later error on Genshin Impact. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection. To check that, open any type of preferred web browser and search for speed test. After that, tap on the go button and ensure you have a good internet speed. Once you've confirmed your internet speed, open the App Store or Play Store and make sure the game is updated to the latest version available. After that, open the Settings app on your mobile device and access the General tab. Inside it, scroll down a little bit and access iPhone storage. Now, locate the Genshin Impact game in this list and try offloading it. After offloading, reinstall the app and check if the problem is solved. If it persists, then just delete the app completely and install a fresh version from the App Store. So that's basically how you can fix the too many requests please try again later error on Genshin Impact. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.